What is good, everyone? So we're back for another trade breakdown for today. Or market recap. So today I actually ended up taking no trades today. So today we just followed up literally after market open. We just kept pumping the entire rest of the day. Just kept expanding. Now the only thing that I did come in with the bullish bias today. So what I was waiting for, what I wanted to see, since we were just chopping in this range, we are just kind of here. I wanted this low to get ran through first, and then that would have gave my confirmation to go higher. Now, the reason why I didn't take this long setup was because in the 15 minute, we were respecting this 15-minute fair value gap below right here. So I was ultimately bullish. And then this gap already was filled. We didn't really have to come back to this gap. So I was expecting price to be higher. And then we also did have our new week opening gap as well too. This got filled completely as well too for the rest of the day. Now, the only thing that I wished would have happened for this trade, because I was contemplating on taking this setup, but the one thing I did not like was we didn't take the low like I was saying, and then this trade was also going into market open, so I was waiting to see if market open was maybe gonna manipulate down and then maybe take out the low and then look for the expansion up higher, but that didn't end up happening. So my drawn liquidity was this buy side up here. I wanted this buy side to get ran through. This setup, I did see it when I was trading in lifetime. I saw the sweep down here. We were respecting the fair value gap. We inversed it. Good momentum. Your stop would have been at this low down here. 1 to 2.2 risk to reward. You would have barely gotten stopped out, or you could have taken this one right here too as well, the retrace. This would have been your bullish breaker, and then you could have targeted the buy side. But I mean, like I was saying, you would have been basically betting that market open was gonna push up all the way, and it did. It could have gone south, one or the other. So it was just kind of like a gamble, you could say, in a way. That was really the only setup I really did end up seeing today. After we just kind of just kept expanding for the rest of the day, nothing really was going on. Now the only other setup that I did see was the one that's happening currently right now. I was gonna take this setup when we were like right here in this price action, but we never got the momentum back up to it. Would have taken my entry here, and then I was gonna target the buy side as we were already bullish on the day. But I mean, I'm watching it right now, and it is kind of playing out. So I might have gotten off too early. It is what it is. But that was pretty much it for me today. There was nothing too crazy. I mean, our drawn liquidity was literally just the new week opening gap that we left from the deep seek shenanigans that went down. All of this we did end up filling back in. So we did fill everything back in. And then we could probably start looking to see price come back to this buy side up here, and then maybe push for all time highs again. Not entirely sure, but that is what I am going in for for the next month essentially. Now the month is over. I did end up finishing break even on the month. I really did not make much profit. I really didn't. Like, I'm gonna show you guys my profit calendar. So this is my profit calendar for the month. I basically broke even. Like, my the biggest things like psychologically that messed me up was on Wednesday. I lost that 1.2k. I went on tilt, and then on Friday I also lost a 1.2k. So all of those days I did not follow my rules. Like, I literally took a loss. I got mad. I tried to make the money back, and then this is what ended up happening. Now in the final week, I took 3 losses in a row, and then I took a winning trade yesterday on Thursday. So I'm gonna make a vow for myself coming into February to not break my rules, stick to my model, and be as disciplined as I can be. I'm gonna try to do that for the whole entire month of February. Just if I see no setup, no trade. If I see my setup, one bullet, one shot, risk my 200, 250, whatever it is, and then just let it play out. Because if I've been backtesting a lot, and I know that my model is profitable, so I just gotta literally just play out the statistics and let it play out based on my data. So that's what I'm gonna be doing going in for the month of February. This week that we just traded right now served as a starter foundation to like get me going. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Good luck on the next month of trading for you guys that are actually trading as well too. And yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Have a good rest of your day, guys. Stay blessed and have a good one.